Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get and use Amazon coupon codes. This is a fantastic way to save money on your purchases, so let's dive right in and explore how you can take advantage of these discounts. Amazon has thousands of products available every day, and many sellers offer coupon discounts to attract shoppers. These coupons can help reduce the final price of your order, making them a simple way to save money while shopping for everyday items, electronics, household products, clothing, and more. The best part is that using Amazon coupons does not require any complicated steps. You just need to know where to find them and how to apply them correctly before completing your purchase. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Amazon homepage where you can start searching for products with coupon discounts. Make sure you're signed into the correct Amazon account before continuing. This ensures that any coupon savings you apply are connected to your account and available during the checkout process. Now, click on the top search bar and type in the product you're looking for, then hit enter. This will bring up a list of results related to your search. You can search for any product you need, such as headphones, kitchen items, office supplies, or personal care products. Amazon will show multiple results, so it's important to compare different listings before choosing one. Take your time browsing through the results and make sure to read the information carefully. What you're specifically looking for here is any product that displays coupon price with a pink background. When you spot one, go ahead and click on it to open the product page. The coupon price label is Amazon's way of highlighting products that have an available discount. These offers can vary depending on the seller, product availability, and promotional period, so checking regularly can help you discover new deals. Once you're on the product page, you'll need to select your preferred color or other variants like size. Be very careful when making these selections because choosing the wrong color or size might disable the coupon discount and you'd miss out on the savings you're aiming for. Some Amazon products have different prices or discounts depending on the variation you choose. For example, a black version of a product may have a coupon available, while another color may not include the same offer. After selecting your preferred variant, navigate to the coupon price section and check the box beside it. This action activates the coupon discount for your purchase, ensuring you get the reduced price at checkout. After checking the coupon box, Amazon should automatically apply the discount to your order. Before moving forward, always confirm that the updated price reflects the coupon savings. Next, click Buy Now in the right panel. This will take you directly to the checkout process without adding the item to your cart first. The Buy Now option is useful when you already know you want to purchase the product and want to move quickly through checkout. If you want to purchase multiple items together, you can also add products to your cart instead. You'll then be prompted to select your delivery address from your saved addresses or add a new one if needed. Make sure your shipping address is correct before placing the order, especially if you have multiple saved addresses on your Amazon account. Following that, select your payment method. Amazon will show you all the payment options you have on file, so choose the one you prefer for this transaction. You can use your saved payment methods or add a new payment option if required. Always check that your payment details are updated to avoid any checkout issues. Once you've confirmed your payment method, click Place Your Order to complete your purchase with the coupon discount applied. Alternatively, there's another way to browse and use Amazon coupons. This second method is useful if you want to explore available coupons without searching for a specific product first. It allows you to see a collection of discounted products in one place. Hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar. Then select Account from the drop-down menu. Once you're on your account page, scroll down until you find the option labeled Coupons and click on it. This will take you to a dedicated page where Amazon displays all available coupons for various products. The coupon page can be a great place to discover discounts on products you may not have been actively searching for. You can browse different categories and find deals based on your needs. Browse through this list and select your preferred item or product that catches your eye. After selecting a product, navigate to the coupon price section and check the box beside it to activate the discount. Now, click Buy Now in the right panel to proceed to checkout. You'll be asked to select your delivery address, so choose the one where you want your order shipped. After that, select your payment method from your saved options. Finally, click Place Your Order to complete the transaction. By following these steps, you've successfully used an Amazon coupon code to save money on your purchase. Remember, coupon availability changes frequently, so a good habit is to check for discounts before buying any product on Amazon. Even small savings can add up over multiple purchases. This method works for countless products on Amazon, so keep an eye out for those pink coupon price tags whenever you're shopping. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.